Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So what we on the Ethereum chart are currently waiting for is finally to reach my green target area here. That so far hasn't been reached yet, but I think we are on a good way. Yeah, I think we are on a good way. It's still outstanding. Yeah, I think I mentioned that target area already when we were here on the 21st of July. It then started to look promising, came down again, a bit of volatility. Yeah, we found support here. That was theoretically the first reversal point that I mentioned. We did reverse, it wasn't sustainable, and therefore this target area still stands. That is what you need to understand in a wave 4 here, the most likely area to get into and to reverse out of. Yeah, so this has been on the chart for a few days, and we are looking now just again at this area, and this is based on, first of all, the retracement of the wave 3, pretty much still in line with what I said in the last video and videos. That would be here between the 50% fib level and the 38.2% fib level, roughly between 1320 and 1400. That was the first point. So the first reason how, or the first example how we calculate this target area. The other way to calculate the target is based on the length of the wave A, adding it to the high of the wave B, and that is then the 1.618 extension, which is here the 1412 level. So basically between, let's say, 1320 and 1412, that's where I would expect primarily the price to, well, get into and reverse. At the moment, we want to take a look in this video at the sub-wave counts of all of this. So where are we at the moment? I think we have obviously seen here, I'll go to the 1 hour chart first. We peaked here in a wave B, that still stands. We then came down in what I believe was a wave 1 down, moved up in a wave 2. Okay, so we would now come down in a third wave. Now again, we need to see if we look at that from that point of view, that third wave should actually go to 1290. Now we need to be a bit careful, because in a wave C, the wave 3 doesn't necessarily need to do the 1.618 extension. It could simply be the 1-to-1 ratio, like here, 1391, okay? And that would fit perfectly with the green area. So currently I'm still expecting here that green area to play out basically. At the moment we are here breaking out to the downside, as it seems. I think final breakout point would be below that 1482 level. That's why it's on the chart, below that wave 4 low. And I think if we lose that, next target will be that 1412 level. This is basically the last, let's say the last resort for the bulls to hold it before we dip finally into this target area, because there isn't much there. Look at this distance from 1412 to 1470, there is not much there. And if we lose this level, we're probably really gonna see the 1412 level. Expect some initial support at 1412, maybe a bounce, maybe already the reversal. But I don't primarily expect the reversal already there, but it will be a bounce. I don't think we get into that area straight away. I think it will be support, because this is a previous wave 1 high. Here was a bit of an area of trade, so there'll be a bit of support. And then in this area, yeah, we can max that out theoretically. A level that we should not go below to maintain here a bullish, let's say an initial bullish sentiment. Well, ideally you don't want to go below 1320, but in the worst case, we should hold the wave 1 high here at 1280. If this is broken, then we expect much lower levels, yeah, possibly all the way down to $1,000 again. And then the bearish scenario will get into focus again, okay? So yeah, and this is where we currently are. So primarily lower prices expected, and then a reversal to the upside in a wave 5, and I'm still waiting for that $1,700 level and maybe more to play out in the 5th wave. Only after the 5th wave, I would primarily expect a larger correction to the downside. If it happens now already, might have to adjust this wave count, but actually I wouldn't expect it now. Ideally, we want to reverse here. That is currently what I see, how I see currently the chart play out. Yeah, okay. And again, you know what is going to happen if we drop below this area. Then we're probably retesting 1280, and if we lose 1280, yeah, then we've got more support levels along the way here, for example 1180, but then I think we can get fairly quickly down to $1,000. All right, and that is currently my view here about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.